My name is Kyle Conchata. I'm a data analyst and project manager at ASAE. ASAE is a nonprofit focused on international education in the higher education space. We provide professional development, advocacy resources, and public policy direction for international education. The reason ASAE sought out association analytics was because we had realized a few years ago that we had a lot of data that was in a number of different spaces, and we had attended one of your presentations at ASAE Tech, I believe, which made us realize that we could develop a data warehouse that would bring all of these disparate segments of data together to finally allow them to talk to one another in a seamless way. ASAE's goals as it relates to data and data warehouse and data analytics is really focused on two things. One is to develop an environment where we're not constantly re-asking the same question every year, where we can easily access those simple questions and those data points that are just sort of standard. It's easy to know how many attendees we have, how many of those attendees to our annual conference or our regional conferences belong to certain segments, instead of having to constantly reinvent that metric. It's there, it's constant, and in some cases as it's ongoing, it's growing. And then the other focus for us is from a business perspective. We want to use analytics and data analytics and machine learning at some point to begin making differences in how we access different markets, how we grow our conference attendees, how we devise new products and new programs using this data. So far from our data analytics initiative, some of the results we've seen is a better understanding of what our retention rates are for everything from annual conference to regional conference attendance to our membership. We've also used data analytics to get a better sense of what content our users are interested in, and we've been able to segment that by sort of knowledge tracks to understand for certain people what content would be of more interest. My favorite thing about association analytics is the team. Everyone that I've interacted with at the organization has been knowledgeable, and they've been very warm and friendly, and they're always excited about the next new thing. They do a really good job of framing what it is we're looking for. It may be an extremely abstract concept that we're really bad at explaining, and they take that and they basically dissect what we're asking and return back either exactly what we're looking for, or in some cases even more on top of that. So on the horizon for ASAE and data analytics is to really ramp up our self-service analytics internally. So we're closing out the building of the data warehouse now. We have some existing business processes that we've moved into the space, but what we're really focusing on in this coming year is really helping our other staff members outside of the data analytics team to easily access their reporting, to begin to understand how to create their own reports in the system, and to begin helping the organization as a whole get that data analytics mindset.